All right, we're going to begin our second phonics lesson today. This time we really are going to focus on our letter O and its ah sound. So I'm going to put my Saxon booklet away, and then also my alphabet strip goes back into this folder. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I've got this pulled out. And the last thing we did was our otter. Okay, so we colored our otter brown, and then we colored the rest of the picture any colors we want. We also colored one of the bushes, the plants along there was brown. So there we have it. Your page is probably going to look something like that. Okay, now here's our next page, and this at the bottom has a 68, a little 68. Up at the top it has a big 60, okay? So if you see the otter with olives on his back, you are on the correct page, okay? So the first instruction here says, trace each olive, write a lowercase o on each one. So this is where you get to trace the dotted lines here. Okay, and then you just write your lowercase o, okay? They're dotted lines, tracing, okay? And then a lowercase o for olive, and then tracing the olive, and then a lowercase o for olive, okay? It says trace the word below. Read the words on the olive can, which is over here. Circle each word with an O. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one here. Trace the word below. And this is the word olives. Okay, so go ahead and use your pencil to trace that word. O, ah, O, I, V, silent E, so we don't make any sound, but we do say S, olives. Okay, good job writing that. Now, we're going to read the words on the olive can. I'm going to start with the first one here. O-U-T is out. That's the word out. And it has an O in it, so we can circle it. Okay, the next word over is the word over. O-V-E-R. See, the O is right there at the beginning. Over. That is the long O sound. Okay. This one here is a vowel digraph, so you're going to learn about that later in kindergarten and first grade, and even in second grade you'll cover that as well. This word right here is off. Off. Okay, so we're going to circle that because it starts with an O-ah sound. Now this word right here, there's no O in it, so we know it can't be circled. We're going to cross it out. That is the word ant. That is the word ant. Okay. And then we have our otter right there, and that's it. We're finished with our phonics. Please give yourself an exit ticket. Fantastic work. Thank you for joining me for your phonics lesson today, boys and girls.